everyone, welcome to another episode. I'm out here at the ponds. This is my second stop of the day. First pond I just caught one little £1.5. This pond I pulled up and just started fishing the cove, and I already whacked 4 so far in about 10 minutes, so they're really biting. One was about 3.5. Sorry I didn't get them on video. I didn't think I was going to catch them that quick, and I didn't bring the camera down, so I caught a few, ran back up, but we're going to get some more the way they were biting. So hope you guys stay tuned, enjoy the video. I caught them on rattle traps. Real quick though, I'm going to throw in a swim bait just for a couple casts to see if they'll bite that, but if not, I'm going to go back to rattle trap. So if you guys stay tuned, enjoy the video. And see if we can get any more. There's a lot of grass already coming up in this pond, so it's kind of hard to fish this. It's not good grass that you can rip it through either, so there he is. Fish right there. They're just stacked in there, and I mean, all I've thrown in there so far is a swim bait and a rattle trap, and that's a decent little fish right there. You know, nothing huge, but about a £1.5. Real chunky right there. Caught on a rattle trap, and there's just a stack in there. I mean, not as big as that 3-pounder I got off camera, but I mean, this is a chunky, heavy too. Oh yeah. Hit it right kind of by the bank. Not a heavy 2, he's about mid 2s actually. But I mean, that is gorgeous right there. This is one of the fatter ones I've caught this year. Starting to get that pre-spawn look on them. Real chunky fish. Right out. Another nice fish right there. Missed a fish on the cast pour. Threw that chatterbait in there because it's, I mean, I threw this pretty close to the bank and I can't throw the rattle trap because there's so much grass. Nice fish though. About a £1.5. Popped it and he ate it. Nice. I don't know how many fish that is, but that's about 8 or 9, I'd say. There he is. First one on a bottom bait. Caught that one on a beaver. It's a 4.25 inch Reaction Innovation beaver, just Texas rigged it. Right there. Not a bad little fish, about a £1.25. Nothing huge. Oh, he's barely hooked. Yeah, baby. Chunky right there. Picked up the rattle trap again and he ate it. Seems to be, they're biting on a lot of things, but that seems to be what they're like the best and what I'm getting the most bites on. Beautiful fish again. £1.5. Rattle trap. right in that cove. He actually hit pretty shallow. That rattle trap again. Really windy conditions out here, but the fish are biting. Pound and a half, pound, 3/4 fish right there. Let him put it back. Man, that bite felt good. Oh yeah, choked it. Yeah, baby. You just tell them they get it good. That bite just, whew. Look at that. Wanted that thing. Whoo, yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I don't know how big, but this one feels better. Oh yeah, good fish. Fudge again. Oh. Look at that, one hook. I was burning that thing and he hit it. I mean, how fast I was reeling that bait and he hit that. Nice and stocky fish right there. Beautiful. Man, look at that belly. That was a big one at first. Woo, I thought that was a nice one. I mean, it is a nice one, I just thought it was a really big one. There you go. So that little pound and a half range, most of the fish are. Next cast in, and this one got weight too. This might be a big one. Yeah, I think this is a bigger one. Big fish right there. Yeah, baby. Nicer one. Choked it head first. Woo, nice two. Two and some change right there. Yeah, baby. Man, this is a day right here. Look at all these nice fish. It's pretty fun. To run that trap over and over and over these patches. Look at this. It's just cast after cast. That's 3 casts in a row. We're bound to hook into a 4-pounder or 5-pounder soon. This one feels good. I mean, I can't tell how big he is yet, but it's a nice little fighter. Nice little fighter. I'm using a soft rod, a soft crank rod. I mean, they all feel pretty good. But there we go. Big one. Oh, he's barely hooked. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Nice one right there. Barely had him hooked right there. That's why you got to use these spongy rods. This is a glass composite. I mean, I'm not missing that many. Honestly, out of all the fish I've missed, I've only missed about 2. It's a good fish. Or I mean, all the fish I've caught, I've only missed about 2 fish, so I mean, that's pretty good average for fishing with crankbait, so, man. Nice. You know, real quick, I want to go over the rod and reel and line. So basically, I was using a 724 Powell Endurance. This is a 7'2", medium action mod fast glass composite rod. It's a really good rod for crankbaits. I had a 200 E5 Shimano Chronarch spool with 12-pound Seagar and Vizix. Okay, and then for the lure I was using a 1/4 ounce red eye shad. This is in chartreuse section. I couldn't really go up to a 1/2 ounce, although I would like to have the bigger bait. But there's so much grass in this pond, it was hard enough fishing the 1/4 ounce. The 1/2 ounce would just, you couldn't even fish it. It'll just get down the grass as soon as it hit the water. So that's about it, guys. Caught a lot of nice fish. Hope you enjoyed the video. My apologies for the wind, because I know that was pretty bad. But you know, fishing was really good. Hopefully the fishing will start up. I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.
It's a good fish.
Look at that. Spinnerbait popped out right there. You guys, that brown tint to him when he jumped, he was fighting so hard. I mean, this is a spot where I was hoping for a small. That's a solid fish right there.